The perimeter, acting as a front line of defense for an industrial park, often faces challenges. Lack of 24/7 surveillance leads to theft, property damage, and trespassing, resulting in security breaches and financial losses. Delayed responses allow threats to escalate and blind spots to hide incidents, hindering prompt handling of situations. Lack of recorded evidence of intrusion makes it difficult to file an insurance claim, as there are no records to support it. The Dahuang SMB Solutions Perimeter Protection effectively safeguards the perimeter, preventing property loss and enhancing security. It ensures 24/7 surveillance, accurate detection, active deterrence, and push notifications when an intrusion occurs. HD video recordings of the incidents provide evidence for insurance claims.